Hey, what's up, folks? I wanted to give a couple shout outs here to a couple people. One being Rob Mack out of Philly. He reached out to me and wanted to know about some service work. He does big jobs with the union, and I guess he does some side work at night. And he wants to do service, so he reached out to me. I'll just tell him what I do. I've been doing service for 35 years. And we talked on the phone a couple times, and you know, it was a good conversation. So, special shout out to you, sir, and to my man John Krim. He's always good to me. John, you're absolutely correct. Maybe what I should have did on that halo is to put in a, instead of cutting, the main comes up, right? Instead of cutting the main into the halo, through the halo, and back into the main, maybe I should have kept made two T's and a isolation valve to separate the two. That's actually a good idea in case you ever got to service the water filter. So I think I'm going to do that next time. But appreciate it, John. John's always good to me. Johnny Krim. Anyway, I want to wish everybody a belated happy 4th. I've been super busy, super busy with plumbing. The filming has been really tough. Haven't even had time to film. I mean, I've been all over the place. I got 3 trucks going and just super busy. But I'm looking to slow it down for me personally and just film, teach, where I'm not running and gunning trying to get these jobs done. And I'm looking to hire a couple guys, so we'll see how that goes. Until then, check out this next one. Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today I'm doing some mop-up work in the film room. I did some filming, and on this next particular job, we had a clogged sewer. We got called out by an insurance company, home warranty service, and the plumber had been there and did not get the job cleared, clogged sewer line. In the meantime, the homeowner, when I do show up, says that there's a hole in the pipe. So we go there, long story short, and it's clogged. Shoot the camera down, which I'm going to show you in a sec, and then in the meantime, homeowner shows me where the plumber put the cable right through the back of an SDR cleanout tee. So we end up changing that tee out and clearing the sewer line. What I'm going to do is show you the value of this camera. That I didn't really get no I didn't film running the sewer machine. I was in a tight alley, but I did want to show you the value of the RIDGID SeeSnake TRU camera. It's gold. I can't believe I used to operate without one. So now I'm just throwing the camera in the line to see what's going on. I found out that, hey, we do have a broken tee. Hey, she's still clogged with roots and grease. Clean the line, and we shoot the camera down again, and it was still clogged, holding water. But the value of the camera and what I'm doing now with the sewer drain cleaning and just teaching the young bucks of the company, my 2 sons, the value of the camera and what you can see underneath the ground is just total gold. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. It's total gold. The camera is so gold, I can't believe I did it without. So with that, we'll take you inside and let you see it for yourself. Make sure you don't go in the hole.
Okay, I can't angle.
Alright, so if we can't angle, what should we do?
Probably get that thing.
Yes. There you go. I'll get it. Ouch.
right over that hole, Palsy Wowsy. You're in the hole. Boom. You're in the hole. There you go.
I can't put it over it. Doesn't fit.
You in? Well,
Yeah.
stop right there.
Yeah, it's separated.
All right, pull, back it up. Take that bar out. You're done with that. So, back up just a little bit. Let's take a picture of that. So that's what we're going to dig up. And actually, look, it's a no-hub clamp. That's all that is. All right, hold on. Boom. Take that pic. Always take pics as you go. Okay.
Okay.
Here, do yourself a favor. Watch out. You're fighting the cable. Okay. Wow. Hold on. They call that clean?
Just take a picture of that.
Go ahead. Do you get one? Oh, good. What is that? It's roots. Oh, it's all roots. It's all roots. All right. No more flushing. That's actually good. Take my snake here. There you go. Take it with you.
Can't see it.
Look, so
Well, you can see the sag right there.
right here's our our connection. Ouch. Oh, right here. This is us right here.
All right. Okay.
3 feet in.
There you go. How many feet was that? That's the 6 feet.
Yeah.
So about 10 feet. There's definitely a
This
sag there.
this is where all the roots were. See where they're growing in right
Yeah,
there?
see it right there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
The camera down it?
Yeah. I'll tell you one thing. We couldn't even go this far before.
All water still?
Uh-oh.
Can you push all the way to the end?
I'll try. It's nice and clear. Look at this. Little sewer
Grease.
poop.
That's all grease.
Yeah.
Tons of grease.
Oh, don't go that way.
To the end.
20 feet in.
That's a new line.
It's crazy how fucking clear it is, dude.
Oh. Hello.
Little root ball.
Mm-hmm. Right there. Looks that rope? Looks like rope. That thing looked like a root. That's it.
Put that ball in the sewer bag, okay? Tell Chris we're coming back out. Great pitch. Yeah, he got it. Pitch going all the way out. It's not holding water no more.
No more, right?
Nope. Do I need to call the city? No.
I think it's good. I think it was on the city side, though.
Only thing I see is a little bit of back pitch. Eve level. Alright. Nah, it's gone. There's no water now. You know what it is? When I push it, it goes up the side of the pipe. No, I'm talking about the camera head. Because you saw how I can tell the pitch, right?
Right, yeah.
I'm 42 feet in, nothing.
I
Good.
can hear you pulling the camera.
It's good pitch now, man. All right, still moving, 50 feet. Up. Up.
Should be nothing in there now. Or a little at the end, if
Here's the
anything.
trap.
It's a trap?
Well, there it is.
There it is.
It's broke.
Oh, we were never there, so it's separated. You can see it.
Yeah.
You saw that. I mean, the camera was... It's the truth machine. The camera is the truth machine. It just doesn't lie. Terracotta pipe, roots at every joint, broken trap at the curb, still holding, still passing pretty good, but it's got to be changed. So we actually have that job scheduled this week to replace the sewer, and we're going to get it done. So in the end, we got it done. In the end, what do we got? My kids ain't here. I don't know where they're at today. They're out, you know, doing what they do. What do we got? And there goes another satisfied customer. We'll see you at the next one, folks.